What's up, guys? Jim with unityofnoise.com here, just coming at you with a quick Ableton tutorial. I had noticed this on a friend's song he had sent me. He was just having me take a look at it and give him some pointers, whatever. I noticed this, and when I explained it to him, he had no idea that Ableton did this, and so basically I thought, well, I wonder how many other people don't know about this, and it's pretty crucial. Ableton has a feature in it that automatically fades in and fades out samples for you. Now, this is a great feature for multiple reasons, which I could get into in another video, but the purpose for this is just to show you how it can actually work against you. So I'm using a kick drum as an example because it's really probably the best example that I could come up with. So I'm going to create a new track here, and let's say this is the kick drum that I want to use over here. That's a pretty solid kick drum. It's got a nice attack. It's nice and round. So we're listening to this kick and we like, okay, great. That's the kick we want. Now you drag your kick drum in and you're like, okay, cool. So then you listen to the kick drum in here and it sounds like this. Well, why does that sound different? That versus this versus this. So what I had showed my buddy is that Ableton's fade feature automatically gets rid of all the transients at the beginning of this kick. Now, if we double click this kick, so we're looking at this kick drum down here, this is the blown up sample. So you can see all these transients at the beginning, this big attack, all of that's gone. So if you come over to your track and where it says none, you can pull down and there's the fades feature. Now, right there you can see the issue. So Ableton is fading in the kick drum sample. Now, if we take this and we just pull this fade all the way back, boom, there's your attack. Again, this is a great feature for multiple reasons, but at the same time, like, it can also harm you, because if you were to throw this kick drum sample, let's say at the beginning of your drop, and that attack's not there, like, suddenly your drop, like, it'll lose a lot of punch and a lot of power. So you got to make sure that when you drop samples into Ableton, that you go and make sure that all of your fades are pulled all the way back to the left. And that way your kick drum sounds like that and that. It's exactly the same. And that's my quick tip for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure you check out unityofnoise.com and like and subscribe. Cheers.